So we're going to make a glaze test tile boat. It's going to be our first project for Ceramics 2 for hand building and wheel throwing. At intermediate level, you're going to start learning more about glaze. So I have a 6x11 rectangular slab. I have a 20-inch, what I'm saying is a back quarter for the thickness of it. Let me move it so you can see it a little better. I'm going to pull up on the side and connect. I'm just kind of bending it a little to go with that form. I'm going to stand this one back up and I'm going to bend to connect. Same thing from the other side. I'm going to add some slurry. And I'm going to attach that coil on there. Just really gently right now because it's still pretty soft. I went a little bigger than I needed to. Let me give it a little bit of a paddle. Get a little better connection. Same thing over here. Get it good and attached on there. A little bit of a paddle. Flip it back over. So I've got a nice stable bottom on it. It's got more of a foot on it. And I'm going to be able to push that down just a little bit. I'm going to do it with my rib even. And make it a little bit deeper there in between where I put the coil. So that if we have glazes running off our test tiles, they have sort of a little well to melt down into.